There we go, guys. A Charger Widebody 392. I absolutely love the Charger and Challenger. It is so sad to see this generation go away. The Hemis go away. But I love the sinister look. This vehicle just looks sharp from every angle. I love the Scat Pack emblem in the grille, the hood scoop. The wide body does make a huge difference. This is a 2021 model, so it is used. It does have a sunroof on top. But look at these big wheels, the big rotors, and the big old calipers with the SRT treatment. 392 Hemi. It's blacked out so you can't see the interior, but it does have the nice Scat Pack interior, automatic transmission, the wide body. It looks sharp. I know it's not a huge wide body, but when you come to the side, you can see, but it makes a huge difference, in my personal opinion. Rear end, nice taillight design, big old exhaust. The 392 does sound really good. If you're someone that doesn't like the supercharger whine and you want to save some money, go down to one of these. And I think these do look good from every angle, but black on black, something about that does look super sharp. I love the little spoiler. I love the little attention to details. These are a big vehicle, and sad to see that it's going away. We'll have to see what they do in the future to make a new version. There's supposed to be an electric version, but a rumor is the Hurricane Inline 6 is going to be in these vehicles instead of the Hemis. We'll have to see. But before I walk away, just one more look at that front end. I want to know in the comments below, have you owned a Charger? Do you know someone that's owned a Charger or a Challenger? And what did you think about them? Did you love them? Did you hate them? Did you have issues with them? I want to know the good and the bad if you've ever owned one of these. I think they're awesome. Let me know what you think down below.